drove some vehicles around in the barn and gotten this E28 535i Delphin Gray with Euro conversion bumpers and lights out of the barn, and I'm going to clean it up, take it out, do a little filming. Well, I got the E28 535 out of the barn and washed it, and now it's exhibiting common E28 and E24 behavior, which is crank no start. So I've checked that the crank position sensor and crank speed sensor are both still hooked up, and they are, so not sure what's going on, but the car is not going anywhere for any filming today. And just to rule out it being out of gas, I put a few gallons of gas in it. I'll come back tomorrow and continue to troubleshoot. I think the next thing I'll look into is the fuel pump, check fuel pressure, and then I'll check resistance on the crank position sensor and the crank speed sensor. And after that, I guess I'm going to have to get the troubleshooting manual out and go down the list for crank no start.